Your guide to learning about affiliate marketing. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. Affiliate marketing can be an extremely lucrative industry, and a big key to maximizing your chances of financial success is to know your target audience. Customize your affiliate ads to best fit your market's demographics. Do lots of mothers visit your site regularly? Then put up ads for diapers or children's books or other things that will be of most interest to this demographic. In conclusion, you learn not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.